Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying physical connections and network identities. First, plug power to modem then router, and connect the router to the PC via Ethernet if possible. This reduces variables. Note the router's default gateway IP and the ISP credentials on the modem sticker. You'll need them momentarily. Once done, open the PC's network settings so you can check link lights and see whether the interface obtains an IP. This prevents surprises when you configure addressing and authentication next. You now move into configuration. On the PC, choose DHCP for simplicity or set a static IP that matches the router subnet. Make sure subnet mask and gateway match. Next, log into the router's UI using the gateway IP and confirm the WAN status and ISP protocol, PPPoE, DHCP, or static. Apply credentials from your ISP if required. Then, open a terminal and ping the gateway. Once that succeeds, ping 8 to confirm external reachability. Finish by ensuring DNS entries are correct. Use ISP DNS or 1/8 and secure Wi-Fi with WPA2/WPA3 and a strong passphrase. Update router firmware, then test browsing and run a speed test to confirm expected throughput. If pages fail, reboot modem first, wait 30 seconds, then router. This clears many transient faults. If problems persist, inspect or swap the Ethernet cable. Note log errors in the router UI and call your ISP with those details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.